Hello unique people, this is Unic Makeovers DIY. Welcome to my unique YouTube channel where you get to share unique ideas and techniques. So we want to unbox this bale and see the content. We actually do not know exactly what is inside it, but we are hoping and praying that whatever is inside is quality bras. Yeah, because it's a new business we are venturing into. So guys, wish as well. Wish as well. It's the first ever trial of doing a bra bale. So normally that's how it's packaged.
Now you need a bigger scissor than this one.
Definitely.
To open a bale. Now I happen to take mine home. So clearly this is a total struggle. Oops.
Uti lini?
Kuharibu scissor.
Yeah, that's unboxing a bale of camera bras. So we were unable to do that with a knife, with a small scissor. We opted to do a knife. Unasikia vile zina bust, huh? Yeah, so looking for a good place to cut that.
Now this one is just pulling.
Nijumiza. Kai, kwani inakuwa imekazwa aje? Hata gari yako igirira iguru.
142.
142.
Sijui mimi imeandikwa hapo. Chekwa.
Ay, more than.
These are really good ones, I do. Unayo dili hado? Really good one.
Hado ino. Tari guoko.
Tari guoko? Dili guoko kumo?
You already reject.
Reject no,
this is nice. Yeah. Okay.
So how is it supposed to fungwa before you say this is nice?
You'll figure it out. So basically,
My point?
There is a bale. So I'll be showing more photos as we continue. Anyway, continue recording.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be
So we are trying to do the sorting.
in the great outdoors.
Okay, not even this is also sorting. We're checking them out.
Forever
Then afterwards, we'll do the real sorting. Yeah, cup 92 nylon wing, whatever that is. So these are size, I don't know, 36B. These are 36B. Your size what?
Napimanga hii.
These are very nice bra, black, but it should be a size 30 or something. No, this can be 34. Small. I'm 34, but this can't fit me.
This actually I think is your size.
Okay, Makaro.
like a bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see from up here. The world seems small. We can sit together. It's so